Morning guys, we're back here at the studio again. We've got this beautiful 5 Series in, but it's in a bit of a state. Kids have been in the back, they've trashed the back of the car. The cream leather interior is filthy. The engine bay hasn't seen a wash forever. So yeah, apologies for the last couple of weeks. You probably noticed that we've been a little bit hectic, a bit all over the place. We've moved into the studio, we've got ourselves settled, and now we're back on the heavy detailed cleaning videos. We're gonna give the wheels a proper deep clean. There's loads of grime to get through, so come and check the video out. Guys, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, set the alarm on so you get all the notifications when a new video drops. There's loads of interesting detailing content on there now. So have a flick through, let us know what you think in the comments. First things first, obviously we're going to start with the wheels. Now these wheels are seriously heavily baked with brake dust. If I run my finger over the top of there, it doesn't even come off, but look at the state of that. So they're going to get a proper deep clean. We've got a load of salt, remnants of winter grime all over the car. Clearly hasn't been washed for a long time. We've got bird crap everywhere. What else have we got around here? Now the back number plate, look at this. I'll use a different finger, but again, it doesn't even rub off with your finger. So that's proper baked on. Time to get scrubbing. So the BM's nearly wrapped up, it's nearly finished. As you've seen, we've done 50/50s on the leather to show you just how much dirt came out of that. The front wheel's got the acid treatment to give them a nice clean up all the way through the barrels as well. And now she's good to put the kids back in again and get it trashed again for another few months. See you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed.